Namaste, good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. This is the part 2 video or a second video on the lesson motion and time. In the previous video, we have studied about the definition of motion and as well as speed of motion. That is the speed. And we have seen some more examples on the speed. Okay, have you remembered that? Yes, in this video let's see some more examples on speed, as well as let's see uniform motion as well as non-uniform motion. Okay, let's start today's session. Okay, first question we have, that is only 5 numbers are online. 6. Yes, continue. Very good, students. See, first question we have, students, that is a car travels 360 meter in 1 minute. Find its speed. Okay, you have to find the speed and comment me in the comment section or in a live chat. Before that, I will ask you some questions. That is, what's the SI unit of speed, students? What is the SI unit of students? Yes, what is the SI unit of speed? SI unit of speed is, yes, very good. That is meter per second. SI unit is, that is meter per second. Is it, students? Okay, yeah. Now come to the question. What is the question we have? A car travels 360 meter. Here meter means it is distance. Is it, students? Distance is distance. Distance he has given, that is 360 meter. How we can say that whether this is the distance? Because here he has indicated with SI unit, that is meter, students. Okay, then in 1 minute, how much time he has given? This time is 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Now solve the question. That is, we have the formula: speed is equal to distance by time taken. Distance by time taken. Yes, very good. Deepika Basaraj. Yes, that is meter per second is the SI unit of meter. SI unit of speed is meter per second, students. Now come here. We have to find speed. So we have the formula for speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, here in the previous examples we have did like that. That is, distance is 360. Okay, 360 meter, and divided by time is 1 minute. 1 minute. Is it correct, students? Whether it is correct? Yes, Manjula Katimani, hi. Yes. Whether speed is equal to 360 meter divided by 1 minute. Is it correct? Or else we can say that speed is equal to 360 meter per minute. Why, sir, you are writing like this? Because 1 ones are 360, ones are 361. Whether speed is equal to 360 meter per minute. Is it correct, students? Yes, very good. This is wrong. This is wrong. Why, sir? Because we have the SI unit of speed, that is meter per second. Meter per second. Here we get that is meter per minute. So what we have to do? Students? That is, first we have to convert time. That is, time he has given in minutes. We have to convert. I will write it here. We have to convert minute to seconds. Minute to seconds. We have to convert the time from meter to seconds. Why we have to convert? Because we know that is the SI unit of speed is meter per second, students. Meter per seconds. Meter per second. Here the distance he has given in the meter only. Meter only about meter distance. Don't worry about the distance. But we have to worry about the seconds. That means time. That is, we have to convert minute to second. How many minutes he has given? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds, students? Can you? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Be active, students. Okay. Yes, that is 1 meter. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Is it? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now the time, very good. Hindu Nataka, that is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So now apply or substitute this time into the equation we have here. That is time. What is the time? 60 seconds, students. 60 seconds. Actually seconds. Okay. Now, what will be the speed of that car? You have to answer. I am waiting for your answer. Okay? Yes. What is the speed taken by the car? Yes, Madhavi, 60 seconds. Very good. Deepika, yes, 60 seconds. Then you have to find the speed here. What is the speed of car? You have to divide easily. That is 61 is 60, 60, 6 the 360. Yes, very good. That is 61 is 60, 66 the 360. Is it? Yes, very good. You have to indicate or SI units. Okay? Yes. That is in Karnataka, you have to indicate that is 6. That is 6 meter per second. Speed is 6 meter per second. Okay? You have to label up SI units. Is it? Yes. Take a screenshot and move to the next question. Yes, very good. That is 6 meter per second. Answer will be 6 meter per second. And the second question we have. Okay. A car travels, okay, same question. A car travels 4 kilometer. A car travels 4 kilometer in 800 seconds. In 800 seconds. Okay. See here. A car travels 4 kilometer in 800 seconds. Find its speed. Now we have to find out the speed of that car. Okay, distance he has given, that is 4 kilometers, students, and the time he has given, that is 800 seconds. Is it okay? Just what he has given, that is data is written here. Now substitute the values, that is distance is 4 kilometer and as usual that is 800 seconds. Is it clear? Is it okay, students? No. Now the distance must be converted. See here, distance will be converted from kilometer to meter. Why, sir, we have to convert the distance from kilometer to meter? Because the SI unit indicates us that is meter per second. Meter per second. We have to concentrate on here these things. Okay. But in the question he has given, that is the distance is 4 kilometer. Kilometer is not in the SI unit. We have only meter. So we have to convert kilometer to meter. How, sir? See here. That is 4 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Can you tell me? Before that, 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, students. Is it? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. What about the 4 kilometers? What about the 4 kilometers? Yes, in Karnataka, that is 4000 meters, students. That is 4000 meters. Okay, we know that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. Okay, if it is 4 kilometers, then the distance will be 4000 meters. Now we can easily solve or easily find out the speed. How, sir? Because distance is 4000. What is that? 4000 meter. I will write it here, meter. And how many seconds it takes? That is 800 seconds. 800 seconds, students. That is, I will write it here, second. Yes. Okay. Now, what's speed? What is the speed? That is, both the zeros will cancel here. Then, in the numerator 40 remains, in the denominator 8 will be remaining. Then, 8 ones are 8. Then 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Is it? Yes. Then the speed is equal to 5 meter per second. This is the speed covered by that car. Is it clear, students? So first thing we have to concentrate on the distance as well as seconds. What he has given and to which we have to convert. Convert. Okay? Whatever it may be, kilo codely, kilometer codely, meter codely, centimeter codely, whatever it may be, we have to convert that into the meter and seconds. Then the speed will be correct. Okay? Then move to the next important concept, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion, students? Uniform motion and okay, I will explain this out afterwards. Okay, first see here, uniform motion. What is uniform motion, students? Yes, that is, I will write it. A body covers an equal distance. If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. So I will write it here. If a body means, so whatever it may be, in the science we can call it as a particle or an object. An object. Okay. If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, students. See, this is a definition, okay, general definition of uniform motion. If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Okay, sir, what does it mean? Yes. Now concentrate here. See here. From A, easily here, is here it is B, and here it is C, and here it is D. Okay, actually they are equal distance. Okay, see, this is on the road of the easily just casual. See here, this is a straight road. Assume that this is a straight road. Okay, students. Okay, from A to B it is 100 meter. From A to B 100 meter, and as usual that is B to C is also 100 meter, and as usual that is C to D is also 100 meter. Okay, assume that from A, B, C, D this is the straight road, students. Then from A to B and B to C and C to D is the equal distance, that is 100 meter, 100 meter, 100 meter. Okay, then now point, that is, if a body covers equal distance from here to here, equal distance is there. Then in equal intervals of time, see, if a car covers one car adri, this car covers, it takes time to travel from A to B, it takes 10 seconds. A to B travel it takes 10 seconds. Okay, which one? This car, 10 seconds to go. Then again from B to C, how many centimeters? What is the distance here? It is 100 meter, and again it takes 10 seconds. same speed is it? Then again from C to D it takes 10 seconds. Then we can call it as a this car is on uniform motion, students. Then this car is called as this car is traveling in a uniform motion. Why, sir? Because it is traveling or it covers equal distance, that is 100 meters, 100 meters and 100 meters in equal intervals of time. It takes 10 seconds, here 10 seconds, and again here also 10 seconds. Is it clear, students? Okay. This is nothing but the uniform motion. Then the car is said to be, it is moving in a uniform motion, students. I think this is called as uniform motion. Then next one we have one more example. Okay, see here. One more example I will give you. Suppose now, okay, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲಾಗತ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, I will take same time. Suppose like this. Okay, this is called as uniform motion because a same distance is traveled in same intervals of time. Okay, here from A to B it is 100 meter, it takes 10 seconds. From B to C it is 100 meter, it takes 10 seconds only. From C to D it is distance is 100 meter and it takes 10 seconds only. Then car is said to be in a uniform motion, students. Is it clear? Yes. Move to the next topic. We have important topic, that is non-uniform motion. Okay, non-uniform motion. I will write it here. Non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? Yes, that is exactly opposite to the uniform motion. See, if a body covers equal distance or a different distances, I will write it here only. See, body covers different distances in equal intervals of time. Whatever you mean, sir. If a body covers different distances in equal intervals of time, sir, one more time, or whatever it may be. If a body covers different distances in different intervals of time, we can say same or a equal or a different. Okay, this is called as non-uniform motion. How, sir? Now I will explain you here. See, this example togori. Okay, from A to B is 100 meters, same distance togori, whatever it may. Okay, B to C is 100 and C to D is 100. Then a same car or a different car togori, different car togori. And this car will take to travel from A to B takes 10 seconds. Okay, sir. Same as the next thing. Okay, from B to C it takes 15 seconds. Yakri sir, a car suppose I am explaining you. Okay, then again it takes from C to D it takes 12 seconds. Why, sir? Because another ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಹೇಳಿ, because when traveling humps ಆದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, whatever it may be, fuel other cars, whatever it may be, that is it covers from A to B it takes 10 seconds and from B to C it takes 15 seconds and C to D it takes 12 seconds. Sir, here these variables changes and translikatadalri, that is called as non-uniform. This is called as non-uniform motion, students. And one more example we can say, that is, see here, I will mark out this B here. See, if B is here and C is here and D is here, from C to D it is distance is 200 meter. Again it will clear to you. Inna ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ clear ಆಗ್ತದೆ. See, from A to B is 80 kilometers, sorry 80 meters. From B to C it is 100 meter. Now see, what is non-uniform motion? Now you will get a clear information about these non-uniform motion. See here, from A to B distance is 80 kilometers, sorry 80 meter. It takes time 10 seconds. Then again from B to C is 100. It takes 15 seconds. What have we do? Then from C to D it is 200 meter and it takes 12 seconds. This is called as non-uniform motion. ಒಂದೇ ಸಮ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋವಂತ್ರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, ಇಳಿಜಾಪ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಹಂಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ non-uniform motion, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನಿಂತ ಹೊಂಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು, then it is called as uniform motion. If ಸರ್ ಗಡ್ಡಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೌಕಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, ಇಳಿಜಾಪ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ್ರಿ ಸರ್, this is called as non-uniform motion. Is it clear, students? ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದೊಳಗೆ ಬೈಕ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಯಾ. Now move to the important topic, that is how to plot a graph of uniform motion and non-uniform motion. And about graph you have studied in the mathematics. Okay, mathematics olaga graph ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೆ. Just I will give the introduction and how to plot a uniform motion and non-uniform motions on this graph. Okay, let's see. See, suppose assume that this is our graph paper. First, this is y axis and this is x axis, and from here this is x axis, students, and this is y axis, and you all know about these things. Okay, in the mathematics I have studied. Okay, and how to write the scale also you have learned. Is it there? This, and here the numbers are only positive. Here it is 0 and here are positive integers. Each side are positive integers percentage. Then here negative integers. Okay, then above here also positive integers, students, and from here that is negative integers. This is the general form of graph. Okay, see here, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, students. From as we move right hand side, there will be positive integers. As we move left hand side, then there will be negative side. As we move upside, there is a positive integers. As we move downwards, there is a negative integers. Okay, now I'll draw this. Okay, I will draw a column that is distance in meter, distance in meter, and time in seconds. Okay, distance in meter and time in seconds. First one we have first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so these are the serial numbers. Okay. That is, if a car moves 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters, and 8 meters in 1 second, 2 seconds, and 3 seconds, and 4 seconds. Yen bareyagaitre sir artha agavultu. See, this is a question. Just it is a question. Now I will explain you. Now what's the question he will ask me? Just plot this numbers or this distance and time in graph. How to draw a graph? See here. Now I will explain. Suppose all these are positive integers, students. All these are positive integers. Just I will take first corner. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, students. Sir, hinge banditadre graph ishte tagondidre because here is also y-axis is also that is positive integers as well as here negative. Sorry, here x-axis is also positive integers. Now just I will take this much. Okay, in the x-axis I will take time in seconds. In the y-axis I will take distance in meter. Okay, students. Okay, now we have to plot these numbers on this graph. See here, time 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Before that, we have to write the scale. That is, x-axis x-axis will is equal to 1 centimeter, or 2 centimeter is equal to 1 seconds, like that. You have learned in the mathematics classes. Okay, then here, that is distance. What is the distance we have given? It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now concentrate here. Here, what he has given, that is, this is the uniform motion. How we will tell that this is a uniform motion? See here. First, that is speed is equal to, we know that is d by t. That is distance is first cases. In first case, the distance is 2 and time is 1. And what is the distance? Sorry, what is the speed? 2 meter per second, students. Okay, check it. Second one, that is speed is equal to d by t, and that is speed we have in a second case, that is 4 meter, and time is 2 seconds, and then 2 meter per second. Why is that? 2 answer, 2 2 sir. That is 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Check. Another one, that is third one, check mark boundary. S is equal to d by t. That is 6 by 2. Sorry, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is there. Then the speed will become 2 meter per second. See here, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Is it same? Is it uniform? Yes. Now we can call it as a, if I have the wrong object, that object is moving in a uniform motion, students. Then that object is moving in a uniform motion. Now we have to plot the graph on this data. Okay, let's see. In the x-axis we have taken the time. And in the y-axis we have taken the distance. Is it clear? Then now indicate the numbers. Car 1 second for 1 second, where the car will be 2 meter by left sir. See here, 1 second is 2 meter by left sir. See here, 2 meter is here, and 1 second is here. I will put a dot on here. Okay, then sir 2 seconds sir, 2 seconds sir, 4 meter yards. Okay, see 4 meter is here, and 2 seconds is here. And again I will dot it here. Okay, graph on neat tag button, just I am on the okay. Yes. Then third case, that is 3 seconds. There will be 3 seconds. Here will be 3 seconds. And what is the distance covered by the car? That is 6 meter. 6 meter sir. Okay. And 3 seconds is here. Again I will put the dot here. Is it clear, students? Then 4 seconds sir. And where the car will be? It is in 8 meter. See here, 8 meter is here. And 4 seconds is here. Okay. Now join these lines. See here, I will join this. Yes. Is it straight line, students? Is it straight line? Yes. This straight line indicates that is that object or that car moves, or any body moves in a uniform motion. Now we can tell that this object, suppose one car moves on the okay, a car covers a distance 2 meter in 1 second, 4 meter in 2 seconds, and 6 meter in 3 seconds, and 8 meter in 4 seconds. What is the motion? What type of motion it is? Then that is uniform motion, students. Uniform motion. Okay, that car moves in a uniform motion, students. And this straight line indicates us that is car is moving in a uniform motion. Okay, take a screenshot and move to the next type of graph, that is non-uniform motion. Okay, non-uniform motion. What type of graph it is? See here. Just I will rub this one. See here, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 2 meter per, and then same speed now does that. Then it is called as uniform motion. Now see. Take a next example. See. If a car moves or a car travels 1 meter in 1 second and 3 meter in 2 seconds and 6 meter in 3 seconds and 5 meter in 4 seconds. Is it? This is the question, student. That is, if a car travels 1 meter in 1 second, 3 meter in 2 seconds, and 6 meter in 2 seconds, and as usual, 5 meter in 4 seconds. Now find out what type of motion it is. Now find out what type of motion it is on the graph. On the graph, we have to plot that is. See here, generally in ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ಯಾವ type of motion it is. Okay, see here, in the first case is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1 meter per second. First one then 1 meter per second. Second one, see here, 3 by 2. 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. What is the answer? 3 by 2. Sir, point all then easily we can say that 3 by 2 meter per second. Is it? Then third one we have 6 by 3. 2 meter per second. Why sir? 3 ones are 3 2s are. Sir, see here, this 1 meter per second, 3 by 2 meter per second, and 2 meter per second. कार ಏನಾಗ್ಲಾಕತ್ತದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನಾಗ ಹೋಗವಂತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಮೀಟರ್ per second ನಾಗ ಹೋಗೋಲ್ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ 3 by 2 ನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಚಂದ ಇರಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇರಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ. Okay, now indicate these data on the graph. How to indicate that is? See here. As usual, same graph ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Time is here, that is time is in the x-axis and distance is in the y-axis. Now, the car travels 1 meter in 1 second. See here, 1 meter 11, 1 11 sir. Okay, 1 11. 1 second is here. Now I will put the dot here. Okay, sir, 0 again 1 bರ್ತದೆ 2 3 4 like that. Okay, skip ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, 1 is here. Next, for 2 seconds it takes 3, it covers 3 meters. See here, 2 and 4 are here, then 3 will be here. See students, this is second one. And for 3 seconds it covers 6 meter. For 3 seconds it covers 6 meter. That is meter is here and 6. Okay, 6 is here. And again for 4 seconds it covers 5 meter. Where is 5? Here is a 5. Now join these lines. How you will join? Sir, see here. Sir, straight ಬರಕತ್ತ sir. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಏನು sir? Cross line sir. Is it? Sir, first car ಏನಂದ್ರಿ? Sir, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. But afterwards sir ಗಡ್ಡಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ sir ಇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Speed ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು sir. Speed ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು sir. Like that. This is called as non-uniform motion, students. This is called as non-uniform motion. Then the car travels in a non-uniform motion. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Okay, if any doubt, ask me anyway. Okay, thanks sir for okay, it's okay. Then by this I will conclude my today's session, and today's homework for you that is what is meant by speedometer and odometer. Homework that is what is meant by speedometer and odometer. ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇವು Yes, you have to search the answers in a Google, or it may be whether it may be you get from seniors or whatever it may be. Have to comment in the comment section, or send it to my personal WhatsApp number. That is what is meant by speedometer and what is meant by odometer. You have to comment the answer. Okay, students. By this, I will conclude my today's session. And thanks for being live. And thanks for being active in the group. Okay. Thank you, one and all. Love you, students. Bye.